I'm just gonna say this headphones will leave your phone.
Ooh, flashlight. Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Flashlight.
But it's just like flashlight. Vinny, you can see.
Flashlight.
Vinny. Vinny, hello.
Hello.
Vinny.
And he's not responding.
Vinny.
Okay.
I barely even remember the name at all. Should I have my walkie? Yeah.
I have it at like 2. Huh? Minnie? Minnie! Oh!
Minnie!
Minnie just spawned out of nowhere.
Just Minnie comes out of nowhere. I remember.
What is this?
I remember it. Oh, here, I found one. Missing person, Jonah. Background information. Jonah is a citizen of the UK, came here to take refuge after World War II. She stayed in room 13, last seen the 24th of June 1996.
Oh,
After she had gone to the washroom, no one has ever seen her again. Some have said she found him dead in the washroom, but some said he was hiding in the
why didn't you want to talk? Did he just said that she not wanting to talk?
Maybe she's just like, hey, there's coronavirus in the future.
Okay.
Get this off my screen! Help! It's on my screen. I can't see a thing.
Also on my screen.
Okay, it's on my screen.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
It is dark
What the
here.
heck is that sound?
Ah, buttons.
Generator activated. Star, something has opened. Star, how the heck did you just teleport?
Let's just go find the thing that's open again. Where is it? Where are you? Hello?
No! Oh my! Star yells. Lights are off. Lights are off. Help! I my lights on. I'm expecting a jump scare. I'm expecting a jump scare. I got stuck.
As soon as I see a button, I'm going to press it. Oh, bloody handprints!
Oh my gosh!
Wonderful! Minnie just had Q in the chat.
You.
Alright, yeah, let's find the door. Let's find the door. Yep. This is the right door. Button!
Button! I love that Minnie's just like, cute! It's a bloody handprint. Wait, what?
Huh? That's
background
what
is
it
just
is.
many from that.
Nice. Really like. Oh, bloody handprints!
She just goes ooh 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 ooh.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it?
Now wait, what is in here first? What the?
My heart literally just skipped a beat.
I didn't scream on that one though.
Yeah, but my heart skipped a beat. We saw it, Minnie, don't worry. Oh, my heart's pounding like crazy. It's come here, Minnie.
Okay, Minnie, come on.
Minnie. Come here. Wait for Minnie Star.
You good, Minnie?
Heart skipped a beat. Felt the rhythm change.
Everything changes.
Please.
What's over here? My flashlight. Oh my god, the flashlight. More up. Wonderful. Blood!
Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't scream! Room 10's locked.
There's blood everywhere.
Jeez, this guy's had a massacre! Dude, you have a
Button.
massacre.
Button. Button? Any button? Button? No? Button, no button?
Fudge! Oh, try to go to room 13.
Hello? Button!
One! Try room 13 now. What? What? Minnie, what?
Fun. Oh wait, never mind, it's Mario Kart! Mario Kart! I can't tell!
Nice! Alright, let's go.
I can't tell what game it is! It's either Sonic or it's Mario Kart!
It looks like Mario Kart. It's
Alright
Mario
then.
Kart, I read it. It's Mario Kart. Wait for me. Wait for me. Thank you. My music just turned off.
Alright, I hate.
This is not creepy at all.
What? I see three eyes. No? Buttons. Buttons!
One.
Okay, something has been activated. Wait, what did I go back to? Nope, never mind.
I have like 3 eyes through out. I'm like, what's worth
Nope. Going back upstairs.
it? My heart skipped a beat again.
Going back upstairs. When you hear the
Coming
thump,
immediately
thump,
when
thump.
we were stopping, something was coming.
So when you hear the thump, 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 it means, yeah. Okay, the room 13 isn't opening. There's an extra floor. door.
I opened it. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, not that way. Okay, I think this is some kind of maze.
That I already figured out.
Ladder.
What, Minnie?
Minnie, you coming?
Minnie?
You good, Minnie?
What? Oh my god! That's not creepy at all.
Oh, I can see it from across the room.
Come on, Minnie, come on, go.
I can see it across the room. I think I'm here.
Wait, where'd you go?
I can hear a heartbeat.
Wait, hold on, let me turn my volume up. Out, my flashlight's out. Out, my flashlight's out.
Can you dig it?
Can't stand it. It's not moving. I see eyes. Sure, I see eyes.
I'm in the eyes. I'm in the eyes.
I think they're buttons, actually.
I see 3 eyes that don't look buttons.
They're all following me. I hate this. Minnie, jump down.
I see 3 buttons that don't look like buttons. They look like eyes. I just saw it. It was not buttons. It was in the middle.
I had a feeling that the middle one. How'd we turn it on?
Alright. There's a door. Nope. Oh. Elevator. That must have hurt.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
You're welcome. I'm still hearing the.
Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look. This is the one where we entered from. You see? When you follow this path, it also goes here. Shop. And, yeah. Wait a minute. It's closed off. I can see stars. And you see this? You see this? This is where we entered from.
I know.
Wow. I never knew that. Hey, statues, don't move and kill me. Nope.
Hey, there's nothing over here. Turn around, Minnie.
Yep, that's fun. There's a door. Alright, yep, this door. This door.
Come on, wait.
Don't worry, I'm here. Oh. Outside!
Oh my god, we're free! Oh my god. Run away. Oh yeah, it's this ending. Hold on, let me turn on the volume. I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, well, should we play the chapter 2?
Hold on, wait. Not done, star.
Alright.
My heart skipped a beat again. And that is chapter 1 of the Asylum. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope Star didn't hurt your ears too much. I'll see everybody in the next one.